my BMW has a problem. Okay, it has a few problems, but we're gonna ignore all of those today because the problem I have is that the steering kinda sucks. The steering feels super loose and the wheel is never able to be centered no matter how many alignments I get. But this might be the solution.
This is a solid steering coupler from CMP Auto Engineering.
This upgrade claims to increase steering precision, adds more feedback through the wheel, as well as being a lot more durable than the stock rubber one, all without increasing noise, vibration, and harshness. Now that's some big claims, so today we're gonna be finding out if this upgrade is worth it, so you don't have to.
This is the part we're gonna be replacing. And to get it out, we have to remove this joint from the steering column. The first step is to remove the 2 Torx bolts that hold the joint in place.
I recommend having some really long extensions for this one.
The top one came out easy, but Riley had a little trouble getting the second one out.
There's so much oil.
There's a couple oil leaks under there.
A couple?
It's minor. It's so minor.
My eyes. Ah.
You okay?
Yeah, oil.
We then have to wiggle the joint out. This is a little tricky as there is not much space, but having 2 people makes this a lot easier. With the joint out, we can take a closer look. The rubber is starting to rot and there is definitely some movement in the joint. We can now place it in a vise and drill out the original rivets with a 10mm drill bit. Originally, if you wanted to replace this rubber part, you'd need a whole new joint, which can run you a few $100 for an OEM replacement, as the rubber was not designed to be replaced on its own. Now we can remove the heat shield, which we won't need since our replacement is full metal. After taking out the circlip inside the shaft, we can now take the joint apart. Next, we're going to file down the surfaces of the joint to fit flush with the new coupler, making sure it sits nice and evenly. And after some more drilling to get the new bolts in, we can loosely put it together and check everything looks good, making sure the nuts sit flat. With everything looking perfect, we can torque it up and start getting our new upgrade into the E46. This install took a little longer than expected, mostly due to Riley and I getting distracted. So it started to get dark as we finished off, but with the mod now installed, all we need is a test drive.
We're back and we've got the steering coupler installed. Now comes the fun part, putting this mod to the test. So let's go take it for a drive and see if we can feel the difference. Okay, so I can't actually feel a difference. It's pretty subtle, but I can definitely feel what the wheels are doing a lot better. And yeah, like the car feels more responsive and direct with the steering. So that's an absolute win for me. So after taking this for a drive, I can say that this mod is an absolute win. Now, I would say it has almost no downside and the harshness is not something I'd worry about. You can definitely feel the road more, but not in a way that's uncomfortable or feels like the wheel's gonna vibrate out of your hands. And you can get more control of the wheels with your inputs being more direct. At $89, I think this is a great value mod. If your steering coupler is already falling apart, which it probably is after 30 years, then this is a great upgrade to do while you've already got it out. Plus, it's gonna last longer, it's stronger, and it's gonna feel better. I also really appreciate how they included instructions with the part and included torque specs. Most companies don't include torque specs with their mods, and it becomes a headache to find the right specs. Now, if you do wanna get one of these for yourself, this one's from CMP Auto Engineering. We'll have a link in the description. This is not sponsored, but they are a local small business that we are friends with, and we love their products. Let us know in the comments what you wanna see me put in this car next. I wanna hear your worst ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so we can keep giving you awesome content like this one. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.